guys? It's your boy Lovefish. Today we just got a new Beyblade Burst limited edition Apex attack pack. Yeah, I said that right. Sounded wrong. We have Valtryek V2 and Odax O2. Colin has the other version of it. So here's on the back. Right here. Yeah, right here. This is the other Odax. I'm just gonna take them apart for a second. See? Same thing. So this tip right here, which is the yellow one right here, we
it's Noctimus's tip.
Yeah, Noctimus has that same tip.
I don't know if you've seen it in a video, but I don't know.
Yeah, I think we have. No, we haven't used Noctimus in a video yet. So this is all the tips. That's the unofficial Beyblade Stadium, right? Or no, official, sorry. Basic Beyblade Burst Base Stadium. So, yeah, let's get to unboxing this monstrosity. So, to open this package up, I have a Beyblade Burst ripcord, guys. I'm not even funny, bro. What?
You're lucky you're not like one of those YouTubers who's like, make sure you have a parent nearby.
Yeah, guys, make sure you have a parent nearby. Never use plastic to open boxes. Like, just let that stuff finish the job on the turtle. Oh!
Now that you yelled, I feel like hit by a water tower.
I need scissors.
Oh, just give me a
No, I got this. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. QR codes on the back if you want to scan these on the Beyblade Burst app.
If you can have it. If you even have any devices.
Ow!
You're gonna have to go through that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna have to go.
Can you give me a pair of scissors?
Yeah.
Ow. Seriously, use scissors. I was about to say something very unprofessional. That is Valtryek V2. He is a red color this time. He's not like the blue at all. QR code if you want to scan it. He's like got a little bit of sparkle on it. Still the blades here, or not the blades, these are the blades. The little wings here. Second we have the it's the forge disc, right? Yes, I knew it. I'm like that. Bro, these are hair scissors.
Same thing. They were in the drawer.
Oh, we're gonna get a haircut now.
We already have scissors out.
Oh yeah, okay, that was clean. We have the here. Stop. Give me my Valtryek. This is the disc right here. There's really nothing much to talk about because it's a thing of metal.
Metal.
I just realized how different they kind of look.
Metal
compared
tastes kind of good. Do you like?
No, I don't. I don't like the taste of metal. Be careful not to cut the rubber off on these tips. Because there's rubber. I have a stamina tip. Oh, I guess that is a stamina tip. It looked like rubber. I could pop this out. I can't. I am not like that today.
You're not built different.
Please do not get mad at me, okay? God, this is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. I got it! Stop touching it. This is the rubber tip. It's got the little bumps on it.
Wait, does it like
white.
push down?
No. It feels like plastic right now. Oh my. Oh.
Bro, I just thought it was as tight.
That is cool. Whoa. Yippee! Scissors. Snip.
Snip, snip, snip.
Alright, this is the Odax top. Oh wow, I didn't notice these stars.
I found this lonely Lego piece in there.
Oh, we just found a lonely Lego brick. We don't care! QR code right here if you want to scan it. He's also got the little glittery glittery stuff.
I think mine.
Once again, we don't need to really do the disc. The reason why it doesn't look so shiny is because these have been in the package for so long. Like, for over a year. Okay, I thought that was a slingshot version, but this is the red driver. Oh my god, the performance tip. Drivers to Karatomi. There's nothing really special about it, except for there's rubber on the bottom.
You know what's kind of weird? Like, Hasbro, like, does these different versions of Beyblades, and they don't even look the same.
Yeah, Takara they got everything. They got the detail. They got the... Bro, Wonder Valtryek as Takara Tomy. It's winning Valkyrie. Hold on, I'm going to shut up for a sec. This is an attack tip, I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
The green
also has rubber on it. This looks really weird. It's reminding me of, like, a vortex. Vortex? What?
What's a vortex?
Yeah, it looks really cool. All right, we're going to put that aside. Oh, my God. It's going to be a long video. This is the... Oh, my God. I don't remember there being a hole in the middle. Wow, nice. This is the well, this is Attack 2. Okay, so it's yellow also. You know... It's just a tip. Leave it alone. Stop touching my stuff. Your Beyblade's going to come next week.
Or Saturday. I don't know.
Lastly, we have the stamina tip. Also has rubber on the sides. This is weird. It's got, like, green on there. All right, let's get to battling. All right. Oh, sweet. My flashlight turned on. Nice. We have Victory Valtryek, red limited edition color, versus... All right. Hold on, you gotta show them their
Purple glitter looking Odex.
Delicious.
I like glitter.
So, I do too. It just tastes bad.
3, 2, 1, let it.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. This is a custom base stadium, by the way.
Didn't you say that in your Beyblade X video?
Yeah, I think so. Oh my God, this is
See what I mean? This is what I hate about rubber tips. It's like they're not even a good.
Well, they feel like plastic at first, but once you start using them, they're just gonna feel like a rubber. 1-0 Odex is winning.
3, 2, 1, let it.
Oh my God, I'm over that. I'm so good. Oh, look how... Oh! 2 points for Valtryek. That's a dub.
I think you just made him more loose.
My Valtryek's decent.
3, 2, 1, let it.
Delicious. Come on, Valtryek, burst him. Or at least, like, knock him out. Knock him out, Valtryek. Let's go. Come on. W, Valtryek wins 3-1. All right.
And then
now we're going to change the tip. I'm going to go with... Whoa, bro. Bro, what's... Bro. Okay. Colin, you're going to go with that. I'm going to go with the blue tip.
Yeah, I don't remember it being a hole. Or we're just stupid.
Or I guess we are just stupid.
That's what I just said.
I know. Taking your word, though. Alright, we got the blue tip on it.
Three, two, 1.
Going down, it starts speeding up. Dang. 1-0 Odex.
I forgot how good this tip was.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Are we gonna like count how many rounds won or like?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe. I don't know.
No, like last
I
round.
don't know.
Like 3, 2, 1, let it.
Valtryek!
It happened again.
Well, these things have been in the box for like years, dude.
Maybe. I don't know.
We mean maybe.
I don't see you working on Amazon. So.
All right, I'm gonna take the green tip, Colin. You're gonna take the white tip. Assemble these. Oh my god, dude.
Grass. Grass is yummy.
Oh wow.
Remember
dude, my
when you-
Beyblade is tight.
Remember when you ate grass and you thought it would taste like mint?
Yeah.
We were
That's when I was stupid. Aren't you the kid who ate raw cookie dough, salt out of the salt shaker, grabbed a stick of butter from the fridge, licked it clean out of the wrapper, then you ate dog food and got sick? So am I stupid or are you stupid?
When did I eat raw cookie dough?
You're okay, you are stupid. 3, 2, 1, let it go. Oh, yo! Okay, that's cool. Oh, and then it just stops.
Was it in the Fat Tuesdays or not?
No. Because you didn't know that was raw.
I saw like the dough like gooing out and I'm like, this is raw. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh god, oh god. Oh.
You're so finished.
Wait, I am. Oh. I win.
No, I win. 3-0.
No, you're winning 2-1. Yeah, 2-1. I won the first one.
Oh yeah.
That's the thing I hate about this. Like, it's just
3, 2, 1, let's go.
it's got the zoomies. And whoa, that is satisfying. That is so cool. Guys, my name's Tyrone. Tyrone lives in the Nitro Drome.
Huh?
Drome Fortnite.
There was no Tyrone in the Nitrodome.
It's Nitro Drome, dummy.
I like Nitrodome better.
I know. 2-2. Next point win.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh no. Valkyrie, you cannot lose this. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. He's slowed down. Oh, yep. Alright, last tip. Colin, what tip have you... Oh, yeah. Have you used the...
I haven't used the blue one, too. And you haven't used the red one.
No, I've used... Oh, yeah.
Either way, this Beyblade is still loose.
Either way. Alright, we got the... He looks naked, bro. He looks so weird.
I still say your shadows in my rock. 3, 2, 1, let it go. Next hit, I'm gonna burst. I just know that.
Oh, God. Hard hit. Oh, you had your little tiny attacks.
The fact that he actually didn't even touch me was crazy.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let it go.
Beyblade's looking pretty goofy. Oh, it's like shaking.
That's what, 3 or 2?
You have it bursted.
Okay. Ow.
It's 2-0.
3, 2, 1, let it go. You bursted first.
Yeah, I know. Hold on, he's still going. Ow. Ouchies. How? Wait, what? Wonder Valtryek bursted.
What do you mean Wonder Valtryek? Wonder Valtryek can burst to any Beyblade.
I know. Well, yeah,
Even my Rooter. 3, 2, 1, let it go.
Guys, there's a problem. Yeah, he went under there. Oh, wait, maybe I can get him. I might be able to get him.
I would know.
I got it. Here we go. Oh, whoopsies. This video's like 8 minutes.
No, I just need the green tip.
Okay, green. I take the red tip. Nice. What the? Bro, where did my parts go? Colin, did you... Oh, wait, I found them. We're good, we're good.
Hi.
This, if I can get this in here.
You know what's kind of weird? How like some like middle schoolers and some 5th graders don't even know how to cover their mouth.
Yeah. This looks really good with the red tip.
If there was a purple tip, that would be better.
Yeah, for you.
3, 2, 1, let it.
Oh, I missed. Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot you had the stamina tip. Dang it. Oh, and I still win. That's crazy. 1-0.
That would be cool if we just found my Chosy Valtryek in the video.
Yeah.
I know it's like long gone, but like don't.
It is long gone. There's no hope for
3,
him.
2, 1, let it.
What? This is why I don't like this. Bro, what?
2 to what? 1?
Yeah.
Oh,
If only I won that.
Ow!
But it's like,
Why does this ripcord actually kind of hurt? Like I just set my
because
finger.
it's plastic.
No, like I just set my finger on the spikes and it like poked me like really
because
hard.
you pushed it too hard.
3, 2, 1, let it.
Oh, I look so cool.
Oh. It's weird how like in the Beyblade show that was actually kind of cheesy.
It was. I think Surge was the best one because they're not acting like something's happening. Like they're not acting like they have Tourette's, bro. All right. Yeah. All right, that's all for today's video with the Apex Attack Pack. Like and subscribe for more content.